اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Reciting Surah Hud, some verses of Surah Hud from Quran Kareem. Verse number 25. I should start from the verse 25, and this contains the story of Noah. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Beneficent and the Merciful. وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ. And we sent Noah unto his flock, and he said, Lo, I am a plain warner unto you. Allah ta'budu illallah. Inni akhafu alaykum yawma Azaab yawmin alim. That ye serve none save Allah. Lo, I fear for you the retribution of a painful day. I fear for you the retribution of a painful day. فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما نراك إلا بشرا مثلنا وما نراك اتبعك إلا الذين هم أراذلنا بادي الرأي وما نرى عليكم من فضل بل نظنكم كاذبين. The chieftains of his flock who disbelieved said, We see thee but a mortal like us, and we see not that any follow thee save the most abject among us without reflection. We behold in you no merit above us, nay, we deem you liar. قال يا قوم أرأيتم إن كنت على بينة من ربي وآتاني رحمة من عنده فعميت عليكم أنلزمكموها وأنتم لها كارهون. He said, O my people, bethink you, if I rely on a clear proof from my Lord, and there hath come unto me a mercy from his presence, and it hath been made obscure to you, can we compel you to accept it when you are averse thereto? وَيَا قَوْمِ لَا أَسْأَلُكُمْ عَلَيْهِ مَالًا إِنْ أَجْرِيَ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ وَمَا أَنَا بِطَارِدِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِنَّهُمْ مُلَاقُو رَبِّهِمْ وَلَكِنِّي أَرَاكُمْ قَوْمًا تَجْهَلُونَ. And O my people, I ask of you no wealth therefore. My reward is the concern only of Allah, and I am not going to thrust away those who believe. Lo, they have to meet their Lord, but I see you a flock that are ignorant. وَمَنْ يَنْصُرُ لِي يَا قَوْمِ مَنْ يَنْصُرُ لِي مِنَ اللَّهِ إِنْ طَرَدتُّهُمْ أَفَلَا تَذَكَّرُونَ. O my people, who would deliver me from Allah, if I thrust them away, will ye not then reflect? وَلَا أَقُولُ لَكُمْ إِنِّي خَزَائِنُ اللَّهِ وَلَا أَعْلَمُ الْغَيْبَ وَلَا أَقُولُ إِنِّي مَلَكٌ وَلَا أَقُولُ لِلَّذِينَ تَزْدَرِي أَعْيُنُكُمْ لَنْ يُؤْتِيَهُمُ اللَّهُ خَيْرًا اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا فِي نُفُوسِكُمْ إِنِّي إِذًا لَمِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. I say not unto you, I have the treasure of Allah, nor I have knowledge of the unseen, nor say, lo, I am an angel, nor say I unto those whom your eyes scorn, that Allah will not them good hearts. Lo, then indeed I should be of the wrongdoers. وقالوا يا نوح قد جادلتنا فأكثرت جدالنا فأتنا بما تعظنا إن كنت من الصادقين. They said, O Noah, thou hast disputed with us and multiplied disputation with us. Now bring upon us that wherewith thou threatened us, if thou art of the truthful. Now bring upon us that wherewith thou threatened us, if thou art of the truthful. قال إنما يأتيكم به الله إن شاء الله وما أنتم بمعجزين. He said, only Allah will bring it upon you if He will, and ye can by no pass escape, and ye can by no means escape. لا ينفعكم نصحي إن أردت إن أنصح لكم إن كان الله يريد أن يغويكم هو ربكم وإليه ترجعون. My counsel will not profit you if you are minded to advise you. If Allah's will is to keep you astray, He is your Lord, and to Him ye will be brought back. Unto Him He is your Lord, and unto Him you will be brought back. Bismillah. Am yakulu naftarahu. Qul in iftaraytahu fa alayya ijrami wa ana bari'un mimma tujrimun. Or say then again, He hath invented. Say, if He hath invented it upon me, be my crimes, but I am innocent of all that ye commit. Uhiya ilayya nuhin annahu lan yu'mina min qawmika illa man qad amana fala tabis bima kanu yafalun. And it was indeed inspired in Noah, saying, no one of thy flock will believe save him who hath believed already. Be not distressed because of what they do. Wasnail fulka bi'ayunina wawajina la tukhatibni fil ladina zalamu innahum mughraqun. Build the ship under our eyes and our inspiration, and speak not unto me on behalf of those who do wrong. Lo, they will be drowned. وَيَصْنَعِ الْفُلْكَ وَكُلَّمَا مَرَّ عَلَيْهِ مَلَأٌ مِنْ قَوْمِهِ سَخِرُوا مِنْهُ قَالَ إِنْ تَسْخَرُوا مِنَّا فَإِنَّا نَسْخَرُ مِنْكُمْ كَمَا تَسْخَرُونَ. And he was building the ship, and every time that chieftains of his people passed him, they made mock of him. He said, though ye make mock of us, yet we mock at you even as ye mock. فَسَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ مَنْ يَأْتِيهِ عَذَابٌ يُخْزِيهِ وَيَحِلُّ عَلَيْهِ عَذَابٌ مُقِيمٌ. And ye shall know to whom a punishment that will confound him cometh, and upon whom a lasting doom will fall. Hatta idha jaa amruna, وفارت تنور قلنا اعمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول ومن آمن وما آمن معه إلا قليل. Thus it was till that our commandment came to pass, and the oven gushed forth water. We said, load therein two of every kind. We said, load therein two of every kind, a pair of the male and female, and thy household, save him against whom the word hath gone forth already, and those who believe, and but a few were they who believed with him. And those who believed, and but a few were those who believed with him. وَقَالَ ارْكَبُوا بِسْمِ اللَّهِ مَجْرِهَا وَمُرْسَاهَا إِنَّ رَبِّي لَغَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. And he said, embark therein in the name of Allah, be its course and its mooring. Lo, my Lord is forgiving, merciful. وَهِيَ تَجْرِي بِهِمْ فِي مَوْجٍ كَالْجِبَالِ وَنَادَى نُوحٌ ابْنَهُ وَكَانَ فِي مَعْزَلٍ يَا بُنَيَّ ارْكَبْ مَعَنَا وَلَا تَكُنْ مَعَ الْكَافِرِينَ. And it sailed with them amid waves like mountains. And Noah cried unto his son, and he was standing aloof, O my son, come ride with us, and not with the disbelievers. قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين. He said, I shall betake me to some mountain that will save me from the water. Noah said, this day there is none that saveth from the commandment of the Allah, save him on whom he had his mercy. And the waves came in between them, so he was among the drowned. وَقِيلَ يَا أَرْضُ ابْلَعِي مَاءَكِ وَيَا سَمَاءُ أَقْلِعِي وَغِيضَ الْمَاءُ وَقُضِيَ الْأَمْرُ فَاسْتَوَتْ عَلَى الْجُودِيِّ وَقِيلَ بُعْدًا لِلْقَوْمِ الظَّالِمِينَ. And it was said, O earth, swallow thy water, O sky, be cleared of the clouds. And the water was made to subside, and the commandment was fulfilled, and the ship came to rest upon the mountains, Al-Judi, and it was said, a far removal for wrongdoing flock. وَنَادَى نُوحٌ رَبَّهُ فَقَالَ رَبِّ إِنَّ ابْنِي مِنْ أَهْلِي وَإِنَّ وَعْدَكَ الْحَقُّ وَأَنْتَ أَحْكَمُ الْحَاكِمِينَ. And Noah cried unto his Lord and said, my Lord, though my son is of my household, surely thy promise is the truth, and thou art the most just of the judges. قال نوح إنه ليس من أهلك إنه عمل غير صالح فلا تسألني ما ليس لك به علم إني أعظك أن تكون من الجاهلين. He said, O Noah, lo, he is not of thy household, he is of the evil conduct, so ask not of me that whereof thou hast no knowledge. I admonish thee, lest thou be among the ignorant. He said, قال رب أعوذ بك أن أسألك ما ليس لي به علم وإن لم تغفر لي وترحمني لنكونن من الخاسرين. He said, my Lord, lo, in thee do I seek refuge from the sin. My Lord, Lo, in thee do I seek refuge from the sin that I should ask of thee, that whereof I have no knowledge unless thou forgive me, and have mercy on me, I shall be among the lost. Qila ya Nuh bit bi salamin minna wa barakatin alayka wa ala umumika wa ala umumin mimman ma'aka wa umumun sanamattihum summa yamassahum minna azabun alim. It was said unto him, O Noah, go thou down from the mountains with peace from us and blessing upon thee, and the some nations that will spring from thee with thee, that will spring thee from those with thee. There will be other nations unto whom we shall give enjoyment a long while, and then a painful doom from us will overtake them. Sadaqallahul Azim wa sadaqa Rasuluhun Nabil Kareem. ये तो नूह अलैहिस्सलाम का वाक़या हो गया।